Hi, this is the Quiz 5 Flipped Classroom Review for students to watch at home. And we're going to learn about notes in the bass clef, particularly how to identify notes that are written with ledger lines in the bass clef and what ledger lines are. Going to complete an activity with naming notes and fill out this crossword puzzle and then review rhythms and also compose our own rhythms. So let's begin with a review that these 5 horizontal lines are called a music staff. And we write notes in spaces or on lines in the staff. When we need to write notes that are above or below the music staff, we add lines called ledger lines. Please remember that the alphabet for music is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It just repeats those 7 letters over and over. So if you know that good boys do fine always are the answers to the notes that lie on the lines in the staff, you can start with A and go to the next note in the alphabet, A, B, and go to the next note in the alphabet to find the next note up, C, A, B, C, D, E, and you just count up using your alphabet song to find out the note names that are above the staff. So first, find a note that you know. G is the bottom line in the staff for bass clef. To go below the staff, count backwards in the alphabet. What's before G? F. And what's before F in the alphabet? E and D and C. And if we had 2 ledger lines and a note below the second ledger line, that would be B. And if we had 3 ledger lines with a note going through the third, that would be A. So please name these notes: B, C, 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 etc. Please circle the skips in these 2 melodies. We learned previously that stepwise motion is when we sing notes that are consecutive or that do not skip notes. They go up to the next note or down to the next note. So where are the skips? Here's the first. E down to C skips D. So circle these notes. Continue to write in the note names. Find the last skip in that melody and circle it. And here we have G is the bottom line. What's before G in the alphabet? F, E, D, C. So start with C. Immediately we have a skip. So circle these 2 notes. C skips to E, and they skip the note D. So C, E, F, D. We have another skip here. And continue. In rhythmic dictation, I'll play on the piano in class, and you'll write out the rhythm that you hear. Crossword puzzle, name these notes. Put the words that you end up spelling into this crossword puzzle. And the last worksheet for Quiz 5 reviews our method for counting rhythms, 1-2, parentheses 3, R. And we do parentheses around the beat that rests fall on and write R underneath for rest. This is 4. 1-2-3, parentheses 4, R. 1-2, parentheses R. 3-4, 1-2-3-4. So please do that for all of these. Then you get to compose. In 4/4, you remember that the top number in a time signature tells you how many beats will be in the measure. The bottom number, 4, tells us that a quarter note will receive each beat. So you will have 4 quarter notes in a measure, or 2 half notes in a measure, or 1 whole note, whatever you'd like to compose, and do it twice. Then we'll have another rhythmic dictation in class. And that is Quiz 5. You'll get an A+ on the quiz by doing this study guide and reviewing this video. For those that don't know what a flipped classroom is, here's an infographic that talks about that We deliver instruction online outside of class and move homework in the classroom. So instead of the traditional classroom with a lecture, we start out with activities in my classroom that are in groups with a teacher-guided discussion. And there's more information, but I want to skip down to the results of why I'm doing this. So in a traditional classroom, we have this study that was done. And after they moved instruction outside of the classroom via videos and online content and then did homework in class, there's a drastic reduction in the number of freshmen who failed English and math. So all of my music classes are flipped classrooms using this model. It's been working very well this year. I've noticed that my instrumental groups, such as my bell ringing group, are much more capable of learning music faster and more confidently as they know now how to read. Thank you for watching. Good luck on this quiz.